I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about eHome Sport.com reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that eHome.com is an online community of shoppers in the United States. The products available here are coffee maker, blenders, vacuum cleaners, LED and furnitures. That too on heavy discounted price. Now let's talk about other information related to payments to have unbiased eSport.com reviews. So apart from cash on delivery option, customers have many other payment options such as PayPal, MasterCard, Visa and Stripe. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that they offer free shipping in the United States and the item arrives in 3 to 5 business days and depending on their location. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon, because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in judging the website to be as a scam or legit. So guys, eHome.com is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is secure, which is a good sign. But the domain name was registered on 25th November 2020. Thus, the site is new and the website does not have much traffic. Now, let's take a look at About Us section. To know more about this website and to find eHome.com reviews. So here we can see that in About Us section they have provided their company's address along with phone number, and the email ID is support@ehomesport. We have got the best online range of top brand appliances at consistently low prices. What really makes us different is the fact that we tailor our business to what our customers want and need. Now let's check the external links available here for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. When we click on these links, they do not land us on the official page of social media. Now let's talk about the return and refund policies. So you can return the product within 30 days of delivery for a full refund. But the shipping fees is not refundable. So if the payments was made by check, the refund check will not be issued before 10 business days after the date of purchase, and only unopened items in the original packing are acceptable for refund. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, mention us in the comment section. And talking about the customer reviews guys, we could not find any customer reviews as this website is just 1 day old. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that eHome.com is a scam website, and in privacy policy section we can see that the content is just copy pasted from the website named Merita Home. Even here the email address is on the name of Merita Home. Also, the product images are duplicated from the same website, so it is by all accounts a scam website. However, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kind of scams. After all, we are here to spread awareness about these scams. So, let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you guys. You have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.